This is the Liitokala Lii-M4S battery charger. It has been a good device overall, but the display cover hasn't stayed in place well. It has popped up a few times before, but I've been able to press it back and use the device. However, this time, the cover has come off completely, and it needs to be fixed. The device can't be used when the cover is off, because the touch buttons are underneath it. The cover comes off easily. The glue is sticky and must be removed before re-gluing. If the old glue isn't removed, the cover won't stick properly. Let's try using ethanol to remove the glue. Ethanol usually works and it is gentle, so it doesn't damage plastic. But it might affect some coatings, so we'll start carefully. The glue is really stubborn and doesn't dissolve much in ethanol, but I can roll it up into clumps and remove it with a toothpick. It sticks to my fingers and everywhere, and it's hard to remove, except by rolling it with a toothpick. I managed to remove most of the glue, but now the whole screen is covered in sticky residue, so I'll try another method. Many glues dissolve in oil, so I'll rub a bit of cooking oil on the cover and let it sit for a while. Then wash it off with dish soap. And now the cover is much cleaner, although there's still some glue left. I should have let the oil sit longer, but it's ready to be reattached. Next, I'll remove the glue from the charger case. Luckily, there's only a little glue on it, so it's much easier to clean, but it still doesn't come off easily. I'll reattach the display using B7000 glue. This glue works for phone screens, so it should work here too. I'll place the display under weight for a couple of hours. Note that the touch button springs push against the display, so it's important to let glue dry properly. Now the device works perfectly again. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.